Welcome back to KoffeeOne video clips. Today I wish to share with you the process for cleaning the foaming device and the milk lines on the Carimali Gusto. To do the cleaning you need 2 jugs of water, one for chemical and one for rinsing. You take this container of clean machine solution and you squeeze the friendly user container until you have 60 ml in the chamber. You then add that chemical to your jug of 900 ml of water. You then place the milk hose in that container. You then press the cleaning button and you hold, and it will ask you, do you wish to do the cleaning? You go yes. You now push the milk cleaning process. It will start the cleaning process. What the machine does, it siphons intermittently the water in the solution from the jug up through the milk hose, through all the milk foaming device and out the milk outlet here, and it stops and starts to allow it to break down and clean and remove all the milk fats and hygienically sterilise the foaming device. By cleaning your foaming device every day with a sterilising solution, you will always have fantastic foam, hygienic milk and wonderful coffee. It's now advising us to replace the cleaning solution with clear fresh water. Once you've replaced it with the fresh water, you press the clean button again. It is now rinsing with fresh water all the residue of that cleaning chemical from the machine. The machine is now clean and ready.